Okay, this is a video to help you with your assignment 2, more in particular the theories of aggression for assignment 2. So I'm going to take you through what you need to do, take you through the academic side of it, and this is what I want you to include in your video. So first of all, we are going to look at the frustration aggression theory. The frustration aggression theory is pretty straightforward. All it says is basically you have a drive to a goal, and this drive to a goal can be anything. The drive to a goal could be that you want to score a particular amount of goals, you need to beat a person, in boxing, in badminton, any type of sport. It's a goal that you want to succeed in. But the problem is, there's an obstacle to your goal. This obstacle could be anything from a referee to another official to an opponent. It could be yourself. Examples could be that you're trying to score a goal and the goalkeeper keeps saving your goals. This is going to cause frustration to occur, and frustration will keep building up because you can't achieve your goal. Frustration is usually accompanied with feelings of anger. And this causes aggression. Now, aggression can go in two particular ways here. It can either serve you positively, where you can achieve success, and then you feel the emotion or the sensation of catharsis. Catharsis is that feel-good factor. You could link it to when you get really frustrated in a game of rugby. And what you do is you put in a big aggressive tackle. This could be using force that's outside the rules of the game, but you're successful. The referee doesn't call you up on it. What you do, you end up tackling the guy. They're on the floor, they're in pain, and you're like, oh yeah, I feel good. Okay, that's catharsis. All right, so aggression is achieved success in this example. The one that we gave in the classroom is Mike Tyson, and also not Mike Tyson. We gave Tuilagi. Basically, he gets pushed out here, and what happens is it builds frustration because the referee hasn't called it, and this ends up in aggression later on in the game. So here we see that he's frustrated. No call has been given, and he knows just what he's going to do. Yeah, you're mine next time. Okay, so let's have a look. Here we've got a play set up for him. There's only one thing that Tuilagi is going to do. He's going to use that frustration. It's going to be aggressive. Here we go. Boom. See you later. That's the aggressive act. It's success. After a successful act, he probably feels quite good about that. The guy that pushed him out earlier is on the floor, and he's gone over and given him a tap on the back to say, "Unlucky, mate." So, the other side of aggression is punishment. Now, punishment is a bit of a bad one, really. So aggression, you do something outside the rules of the game, the official will punish you. The problem with it is, because they've punished you, it causes more frustration, which then leads to more aggression, which will end up being more punishment. Okay, and our example of this is Mike Tyson. So in this fight, Mike Tyson, his goal is to win, but he's being blocked by Evander Holyfield, who's matching him punch for punch and probably getting the best of him. So what Tyson does, Tyson ends up biting off his ear, well, part of his ear. That's the aggressive act. It leads in Tyson having points taken off, and the result is that Tyson becomes more frustrated and aggressive, and the match gets called off. Okay, so that's the frustration aggression theory. When it comes to your assignment, you'll be expected to give an example. In the lesson, we talked about giving two examples and explaining how this fits the frustration aggression theory. So, your pass criteria is to explain the theory, to talk about drive to a goal, obstacle, frustration, aggression, success, catharsis, punishment, and how punishment can lead to more frustration and more aggression. Also, give a diagram, and then give a sporting example. It can be a sport example where it achieves success, or it results in punishment. Okay, that's your merit criteria. You must explain how your example fits the frustration aggression theory. Okay. And there we go.